Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on February 19th and 20th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. Tug of War Day. Tug of War Day celebrates the age-old sport that pits two teams against each other in a test of strength, strategy, and teamwork. This holiday, observed on February 19th, honors a simple yet compelling game where participants pull on opposite ends of a rope, each team striving to drag the other across a central line. The event is steeped in history, with origins tracing back to ancient ceremonies and rituals across various cultures, symbolizing the struggle between two opposing forces. It has been a part of community festivals, school sports days, and even had its place in the Olympic Games until 1920. Tug of War Day is not just a nod to the sport itself but a celebration of unity, perseverance, and the collective effort required to achieve a common goal. On Tug of War Day, communities, schools, and organizations often organize tug of war competitions, bringing people together to participate in or cheer for their favorite teams. It's a day filled with fun, laughter, and spirited competition, where the emphasis is as much on participation and camaraderie as it is on winning. The day serves as a reminder of the joys of simple, outdoor activities and encourages people to engage in physical exercise while fostering a sense of community. Whether it's a friendly match in a local park or a more organized tournament, Tug of War Day is a time to appreciate the strength found in working together and the enduring appeal of this timeless sport. President's Day. President's Day, celebrated on the third Monday in February, is a federal holiday in the United States that honors the lives and legacies of American presidents, with a particular focus on George Washington, the country's first president, and Abraham Lincoln, known for leading the nation through the Civil War and abolishing slavery. Originally established in 1885 in recognition of Washington's birthday, February 22nd, the holiday has evolved to serve as a day of reflection on the presidency as an institution and the roles various presidents have played in shaping U.S. history. Schools and communities often observe the day with educational programs, events, and activities that delve into the contributions of America's commanders-in-chief, highlighting their leadership, policies, and the significant decisions that have influenced the course of the nation. President's Day has also become a significant occasion for patriotic celebration and civic engagement, with many Americans using the day to visit historical sites associated with presidents, such as the Lincoln Memorial or Mount Vernon. Retailers seize the opportunity to hold President's Day sales, making it a notable shopping holiday as well. Beyond the commercial aspect, the holiday prompts a broader examination of American heritage and democracy, encouraging citizens to reflect on the values and principles that underpin their country. It's a day that fosters a deeper understanding of the responsibilities of the presidency and the impact of presidential decisions on current and future generations, serving as a reminder of the enduring legacy of leadership in the United States. Family Day. Family Day is a holiday celebrated in various countries with the purpose of honoring the importance of families and family life to people in their communities. In Canada, for example, it is observed on the third Monday of February in several provinces, offering a day for families to spend quality time together, often with activities and events designed to strengthen family bonds. The holiday provides a welcome break during the long stretch between New Year's Day and Easter, in regions that observe it, creating an opportunity for recreational activities, family gatherings, and communal events. Whether it's enjoying outdoor sports, visiting museums and cultural institutions that often have special programming for the day, or simply gathering for a meal, Family Day encourages people to focus on the significance of familial relationships and the support system they provide. Beyond its specific observances in places like Canada, the concept of a day dedicated to families is echoed worldwide, with variations in name, date, and traditions. These celebrations highlight the universal value placed on family units, acknowledging their role as the foundational element of society. Family Day serves as a reminder of the diverse forms families can take and the different ways they contribute to the social fabric. It's a day that transcends cultural, economic, and national boundaries, emphasizing the shared human experience of connection, love, and mutual support found within families. Through various activities and time spent together, Family Day reinforces the idea that nurturing family relationships is essential to personal and community well-being. National Love Your Pet Day. National Love Your Pet Day, celebrated annually on February 20th, is a heartwarming occasion dedicated to the joy and love pets bring into our lives. This day serves as a reminder for pet owners and animal lovers to show extra affection and attention to their furry, scaly, or feathery friends. It's an opportunity to appreciate the countless benefits pets provide, from companionship and unconditional love to the positive impact they have on mental and physical health. Whether it's through a special treat, a longer walk, extra playtime, or a cozy cuddle session, the day encourages people to go above and beyond in expressing their love and gratitude towards their pets. National Love Your Pet Day also highlights the importance of responsible pet ownership, including proper care, nutrition, and regular veterinary checkups. It's a day that brings together pet communities, with events and activities organized by animal shelters, pet stores, and parks, aiming to celebrate the special bond between pets and their owners. Social media platforms come alive with heartwarming stories, photos, and videos of pets and their human families, fostering a sense of community among pet enthusiasts. By celebrating National Love Your Pet Day, we not only honor the special place pets hold in our hearts but also acknowledge the role we play in ensuring their well-being and happiness. National Cherry Pie Day. National Cherry Pie Day, celebrated on February 20th, is a delightful tribute to one of America's most iconic desserts. This day is dedicated to the classic cherry pie, a staple of American cuisine known for its flaky crust, tart cherry filling, and often a lattice or full pastry top, sometimes accompanied by a scoop of vanilla ice cream. The holiday is a nod to the rich culinary traditions of the United States, where cherry pie has been cherished for generations, often associated with home, comfort, and national pride, especially given its frequent appearance at holiday gatherings and summer picnics. Celebrating National Cherry Pie Day can involve baking a homemade cherry pie, indulging in a slice from a favorite bakery, or participating in cherry pie eating contests and baking competitions. It's also a day for recipe sharing and experimenting with different variations of cherry pie, including those with fresh, canned, or dried cherries, and trying out various spices and crust styles. Beyond the enjoyment of the pie itself, National Cherry Pie Day underscores the broader cultural significance of pie in American life, serving as a symbol of hospitality, abundance, and communal joy. It's a sweet opportunity for people to come together over a slice of pie, sharing stories, creating memories, and continuing the tradition of this beloved dessert. National Muffin Day. National Muffin Day, observed annually in the United States on February 20th, is a celebration of one of the most versatile and beloved baked goods. Muffins, with their endless variety of flavors, sizes, and ingredients, offer something for everyone, from sweet options like blueberry, chocolate chip, and banana nut to savory varieties such as cheese, bacon, and corn. This day encourages baking enthusiasts, home cooks, and professional bakers alike to experiment with new recipes, share their favorite muffin creations with friends, family, and colleagues, and even donate muffins to local charities and food banks as a way of spreading joy and warmth within the community. National Muffin Day is not just about indulging in these delightful treats, it's also an opportunity to explore the rich culinary diversity muffins represent. From healthy, bran-based options loaded with fruits and nuts to decadent, dessert-like concoctions topped with streusel and glazes, muffins can be adapted to suit any dietary preference or occasion. The day serves as a reminder of the simple pleasures in life and the joy of baking, encouraging people to gather in kitchens and bakeries to mix, bake, and share stories. Through community events, baking classes, and social media challenges, National Muffin Day fosters a sense of community and creativity, celebrating the humble muffin's place in our lives and culture. Hoodie Hoo Day. Hoodie Hoo Day, celebrated on February 20th in the Northern Hemisphere, is one of the more whimsical holidays on the calendar, designed to chase away the winter blues and herald the coming of spring. On this day, people are encouraged to step outside at noon, wave their hands over their heads, and shout Hoodie Hoo, to scare away winter and make way for the warmer, sunnier days ahead. The holiday is particularly popular in areas where winter is long and harsh, offering a light-hearted way for communities to come together and share in the anticipation of spring. The celebration of Hoodie Hoo Day is a testament to the human spirit's resilience and our collective desire for renewal and change. It reflects the age-old tradition of marking the transition from one season to another with rituals and festivities. Though it might seem quirky, the act of shouting Hoodie Hoo in unison serves as a symbolic gesture of casting off the cold, dark days of winter and embracing the light and growth of spring. It's a day filled with laughter, camaraderie, and perhaps a bit of silliness, reminding us of the importance of community and the shared experiences that bind us together. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.